Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the student. It's time to move up, get smart, learn English, get a lifestyle.
Hello everyone, good morning, nice to meet you. I'm Ria, welcome to our talk show program. Today I will be introduce a guest who is here.
Hi.
Okay dear, let's talk to her. Excuse me, may I ask you a series of questions?
Sure.
Thanks for your consent. What's your name?
My name is Tisha.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you read in?
I have appeared SSC this year.
What's your ambition?
Thanks. Actually, I want to be a doctor in future.
By the way, what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Thank you. Why are you learning English?
English is an international language, modern language. So I am learning English.
Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, dear, meanwhile, we have known something with Tisha. Thank you so much. Please take it easy and pardon me, please. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.